Hello guys, Bentley Fishing here, back with another fishing video featuring the one and only Zach Reeve, who's going to be doing a challenge with us for perch fishing with drop shot and worms, so you can catch the most perch. Zach's just setting up a drop shot rod now with a hook and some worms and a drop shot weight, and then we'll get to the challenge. Alright guys, we're now at the lock where we usually fish for perch and we get quite a lot of them, and now we're just going to do some spinning for some zander. Then we'll go on to the perch fishing competition. Now, yeah, we've got our rod here, and let's now do the things. Alright guys, so now we're doing our competition, and Zach's already cast it out, so 3, 2, 1, drop shot. Alright, the line's now in the water, and we're now waiting for a bite. Hopefully we get one. They bite pretty quickly over here, so see if we get some. Thought I just had a bite, but then I didn't, so let's put this back in the water again and see what we get. Our worms are getting bitten off, so hopefully this time we'll actually get a bite. See if we... Oh, Zach just had a fish but he lost it, so now Brian's had a bite as well, man. Nobody has one yet, but see what happens. They keep taking my worms off. Oh, I just had a bite. These perch are doing me bad today. What? Alright, Zach just got a perch just now. It's decent size, bit small, but... Alright guys, the rod is now untangled. Now we have a bunch of worms on here. Hopefully we can beat that boy over there. Zach, in it. So now, 3. Hey. What? Perch. Some mini perch. Alright guys, it's now been about a minute and we have had no bites, so hopefully we get one this time, so I can beat Zach in this competition. Yo! Alright, Zach just got another perch, the little one. I'm going to chuck it back. Look at him. Not the best. Yeah, hopefully we'll get a bigger one eventually. There it goes off to the distance. Now let's focus on my rod. Get your rod. Get your... Alright, Zach's got to put some new worms on, so let's keep this challenge to a whole. Alright guys, so in this challenge, whoever wins this challenge gets a lure from a tackle box. Like for example, if I win, I get a lure from his tackle box, but if he wins, he gets a lure from mine. So now let's continue this competition. We are now focusing on this challenge more. Hopefully I have somewhat of a decent chance of winning this, because like I know it's not the best chance, but like I can't be deep down not positive. I just got to keep my hopes up. Alright, I just dumped them here. This spot has not been doing good. He's beaten me by 2. Wait, that's all.
Huh? Yeah, it's my... Yeah, oh shit, it's my first chub.
Alright, now just unhooking him. Look at that chub. Does that count, or should only count perch?
Only perch.
Alright, so it's just 2-0 now, so I have a better chance of winning now, I guess, but oh no.
Wait,
Alright,
can you take my phone out of my pocket?
There you go. Are those good pictures? That look alright? Alright, let's pinch this out. Let's see what happens. Gotta hope the best, innit? Oi, Zach, casting? Alright, let's go. This wind is absolutely disgustingly high. My cousin is in a hidden gem right now. Like, that's what he's in. Fish. I'm doing insanely bad in this. Little perch, boys. Bit little, but it still counts as a fish. I am doing so bad in this. It's so unreal. Like, he's gonna get the fishing lure. All right. I'm now gonna steal this box. I'm feeling greedy, so let's hope. What?
No, go over to this ladder.
Sure, halt real. I need a fish of a lifetime. Like, I just need a fish for a change. Come on, perch, do us good. Alright, it's getting embarrassing how bad I'm doing. Alright, so Zach just got a fourth one, but it doesn't really count because he foul hooked it. So now I'm putting back, and hopefully I get a fish for a change. Sure. Hopefully I can make a comeback last second, that'll be well. I just had a bite as well. Really? Alright, Zach just caught another perch. He's alright, I'd say. But yeah. So is it 4-0? Yeah. Alright, Zach, I'm gonna fit.
Can you get my other box of worms?
If you catch fish, don't.
I'm so lucky I did not get that bite. I just had a fish.
Had a bite. The perch gods are not doing me today.
That was a big ass bite that I just got.
Wasn't it? Oh fuck. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, and I cooked Zach.
I told you I'd win, because I'm just a better fisherman.
No, I am. Catch bigger fish than you. Eh.
Huh?
Way. In it. Alright. And he's got a 6. Oh my fucking god. Anyways, I'm not even focusing on you, I'm focusing on myself.
weighs 0 pounds.
You know what, Zach? I'm going closer to your spot. I'm not gonna go directly at your spot. I'm just gonna go closer to it.
You're hooked, Bentley.
Oh yeah, I'm hooked. Screw that.
I'm not there. Bentley, you're late.
Foxy, I had one. Oh, for 8. I got a bite. Bloody hell. Okay.
2 more, bro.
And then we 1-7.
Oh, that's a decent one, bro.
Yeah, decent perch. That was cool, guys. Finally, I caught a fish.
Don't you then?
Yeah, I do.